Pomona, California is my hometown race, so my friends and family come out here. So we set up a hospitality area. We've got everybody, hanging out, enjoying themselves. We got snacks and drinks and just, good people. So thanks.